In this video, I'll guide you through how you can create AI logo in Canva. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To create an AI logo in Canva, at the beginning you have to log into Canva website and click on Create. Now choose Custom Design and set a logo wide and height. Now click on Apps and on the search field you have to search for logo. Now you can go with any of these. Let's go with Logo Maker. Now you have to click on Open and you have to describe about your logo. Once you describe about your logo, then click on Create button. This one isn't working for me, so I'm going with Logo Master. Then Canva AI will create a logo for a business. Now you have to choose your logo. Then the logo will add it on your design. Let's resize it. To download the logo, you have to click on the share button. Now download. Then click on the download button again. By following this tutorial, you can easily create AI logo in Canva.